This video shows you how to replace the battery in your 2003-2006 Chevy Tahoe key fob, model LHJ011. Replacing the battery yourself is a quick and easy way to save money compared to going to a dealership. The battery typically lasts 1 to 3 years, and you will need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Your 2003-2006 Chevy Tahoe key fob uses a specific 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This battery is essential for powering the remote functions like lock and unlock. For this replacement, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to gently pry open the key fob. These tools help separate the two halves without damaging the plastic casing. Locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Step 1. Opening the key fob. Locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use excessive force, which could damage the plastic casing. Remove any valet key before proceeding. With the key fob now open from the previous step, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Observe the battery's orientation. The positive side marked with a plus symbol should be facing upward. This polarity is crucial for correctly installing the replacement battery. Insert the new CR32 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Make sure the battery is securely seated in the holder. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure that the fob is securely closed and that there are no gaps along the seam. After reassembling the key fob, test its functionality. Press the lock button to ensure the vehicle locks within the signal range. Next, press the unlock button and confirm the vehicle unlocks. The fob should work reliably within 10 to 15 feet of the vehicle. Finally, test the panic button to ensure it activates the vehicle's alarm system. Common troubleshooting steps when your key fob doesn't work after battery replacement. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check the battery polarity. Make sure the positive side is facing up in the compartment. Also, verify you're using a brand new CR2032 battery. Avoid touching the battery contacts with your bare fingers. Skin oils can transfer to the contacts and interfere with electrical connections. If problems persist after checking polarity and using a new battery, the issue may be more serious, such as a damaged circuit board. Consult a professional technician at this point. Remember to recycle your old batteries responsibly. CR2032 lithium batteries should not go in regular trash due to environmental concerns. Incorrect battery polarity can short-circuit the key fob's electronics, potentially requiring complete replacement of the fob unit. Performing this DIY battery replacement saves approximately 80 to 90% compared to dealership service costs.